Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, which is obviously the best bit of my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Airfix Submarine Spitfire Mk1a, which is obviously the best of British. I like the box art. It has some very well arted clouds and a Mr. Smith falling in flames, which all World War II British veterans would have loved to see, especially from the Battle of Britain, because, you know, one less to deal with, obviously. Top sides, it's got a width, length and pieces, squadron information, image of the aircraft, skill level 1 and 1 Airfix fly now, which you can use if you join the Airfix club to get free kits from buying kits, and yeah, it's confusing. Backside, we've got, it's this way around for you, isn't it? I think. Bottom side, top side, left side, right side. All the different colours you need. More information. And it... Get into that another video. Extra paints and paint and glue not included. Bottom side, safety warnings and other rooms of the aircraft. Sides, pretty little box art and pretty little box art. This cost me £6.95, which is pretty good in my opinion. So if we just get inside that I already opened on the first take of this, which I filmed upside down, boom, parts and decals. So no one likes the parts or the decals, they're the most useless parts from mod kit. Everyone likes this for, well, as information about the aircraft, which is pretty nice. So on the first page, we have, it's not one of those page ones, it's like that. So first off, you've got the cockpit build, which is obviously rather important. Spinner build, because I believe you can make the aircraft spin. Bodywork build. This is a very small kit. There's not that many pieces to it. Basically, you're assembling the whole aircraft there. Just open the silly little booklet, please. Thank you. Here you're assembling the lower part of the aircraft, like all the landing gear and stuff. And here you've got other stuff, which are important, I think. Yeah. So now for a part which you've all probably been waiting for, which is the quality of the parts. Up. Slice into that. And here we are. Close that drawer. Cockpit, that is clear parts, that is one piece. They look high quality. I'm not going to take them out of the bag though, in risk of damage. Very detailed parts on the first sprue. I'm quite impressed with that. I don't see any flash. Maybe a little bit on the wheels, but not too much. I'm happy with that. Wings, so much panel lining. Okay, there is a little bit of flash on the pilot, but he's good looking fella. Let's call him Dave. Everything else about the model's looking good. I don't see any flash. Very much detail, which are important. Very much detail. And the decals, as usual from Airfix. Airfix are known for really high quality decals, and I haven't been let down this time. There are overall 41 decals, which is not too bad. Pretty good. It is a small kit. And that's it. Quite a short unboxing, only 4 minutes, which is not too long. I want to thank you all very much for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next video. I've got no idea what it would be, so just going to have to wait and see. Enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.